If it swims, he seeks it. If it exists, he will find it. And if it's possible, he'll catch it. Simply Fishing and host Bob Mehsikomer are on a quest to expand your fishing horizons on every episode. Brought to you by Yamaha. Reliability starts here. Beckman, North America's trusted name in nets. Klein Nissan, your Nissan dealer with a global perspective. M&G by Lindy, now with the Buckaboo. Pose, makers of the original Giant Jackpot and Awaker. Ranger Boats, still building legends one at a time. Angler's Edge Plus, fishing on the edge of technology. And by Western Filament's Tough Lines, when only the toughest will do.
Yep.
Nice fish.
Oh, man.
That was some water.
Oh, are they so fast?
Oh. Whoa! Nice.
Oh,
Nice fish.
oh, man.
Boy, to see a 20-pound fish come skying out of the water is pretty impressive.
Oh, man. Holy smokes, Rocky. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, Lordy. Okay, first thing I want to do, everybody, first thing I want to do is I want to measure the length of her real quick. This one looks like about, what, 32, 3?
Yeah, I'd say 33.
Let Joe get that out of there.
Nice.
That one you got to take out a little bit more careful. There you go. Okay, yeah, that's fine. All right, let me measure her real quick.
Yeah, 30, 32 and a half.
Oh, it's 33. Oh, nope. Lay down, fish. It's right on 33. 33.
It's 9 kilos.
9 kilos. You want to grab my camera there, get a picture of her, or we just want to sit her back?
That's up to you. Do you
Why
want a
don't we
picture?
just get her back, huh?
Okay.
Good job, big guy. 18, 19, 20 pounds, huh? 20 pounds? Whoop-da! On the Jana, folks, right here on the Rio Negro River in Brazil with one of the best, if not the best guide on the Rio Negro. Let's get her back. Oh, she missed it that first time in there, and I thought, that's not good.
Watch for those hooks.
Oh, I know it. Jeff, we're gonna get bigger fish than this, believe it or not.
Oh, I'm totally looking forward
Look
to
at
that.
that fish.
Goodbye.
Oh, man. Oh, good job, big guy. Good job. Don't go anywhere, folks. We're on the Jana, on the Rio Negro River with Jeff Rosink, a really good friend of mine, been fishing with me for years, out of St. Paul, actually out of Woodbury. You guys don't want to miss today's show, guarantee you. We're just starting to crank it up so you can imagine what we got in store. Giant fish, huh? Giant fish. We're here, and there's big, big peacock. One thing I want to show you, folks, while we go to commercial break, is when you decide to come down here, leave your bass, rods, and reels at home. This is what you're looking for. These fish are gonna pull drag off of here, they're gonna go in trees, they're gonna get hung up, and you're gonna lose these big fish. That's the kind of fish you want to boat, and bigger, here on the Jana, on the Rio Negro.
Where's the edge?
Just 10 feet out.
It's on the
so.
other side of it, isn't it?
Both sides.
Whoa, that's a nice one.
Did that one smoke it, huh? Did that one smoke it or what?
Nice.
That one hit just about 5 feet off the boat. Just a wham.
Just a whoosh. Boy, when that one swirled, you could tell it had some size to it.
Yeah. See how fast they are?
No kidding.
They just rocket fast. It's one of the most amazing things about this fish is how incredibly fast they are. About 5 pounds?
Oh, bigger than that.
3 kilos.
3 kilos. Well, 6.5 pounds, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Right off that edge. You can see that sand in there. It's a big sandbar coming out with trees lined all the way up on. It's probably a little island, actually. And I just asked Joseph what was going on. He said, really sandy up on top with a break, really hard break. And Jeff and I were talking about where the break was. There's one on the back side, one on the front side, and that fish was on here, on the edge. Nice point, he says. Good fish point.
Good fish point.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good fish point, Joseph. Good.
Got some serious head shake.
Nice fish here.
Oh, yeah. Strip and drag, baby.
Feel good, Jeff?
Yeah, it feels really good. It feels really good. Oh, yeah, and it looks good. Oh, yeah, this is a big fish.
You got a big one, Joseph?
This is a big fish, Bob.
Yes, nice fish. Yes.
Yeah.
Easy now. All right. All right, Joseph. That's nice.
Fish.
How long is that? Should we measure that?
You want to measure it quick?
Yeah, I'll
Hold on.
measure it real
Hold
quick.
on. I got my tape. If you want me to, I can grab a camera. I'll get a picture of you quick. 9 pounds or so.
Nice one.
Tail down.
Okay.
26, Jeff.
26.
and a quarter, probably. Do you want a picture of it?
Sure, sure.
Okay. Go back with him, Joseph. Go back with him. Go back with him.
Easy now.
Give me a second. I have to get a camera.
Yeah.
Okay. No, no, on see.
Yeah.
See.
This is a striped one. Okay.
Got her.
Nice.
9 pounds, 9.5 pounds. Cool.
9.5 pounds.
Cool.
Okay, let me get her back in the water. Oh, she's ready to go right now. See you later.
Well, you said you wanted double digits. Well, a little bit longer, maybe 10 minutes more.
Let's get him. Let's get him. Good job.
Very shallow. Huh?
Oh, there's one.
A big one?
Pretty good. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful fish. Really green.
Male.
And the humpy. $3 kilos.
Peacock azul. Tucunaré azul.
Tucunaré azul.
Azul.
Azul. Oh, I'd like to get a picture of that color. Just glowing. All right.
Here's one. Big
Oh,
fish.
sounds good. Nice.
Right off that bare shore. Yeah, I know. Brilliantly colored in this pitch black water. And she was pushing water behind it coming up. Well, it's a pin cushion. 3.5. 6 pounds again, huh? A little over 6. But I tell you, these fish are just so powerful. Nope, Joseph said no.
Oh! Oh, yeah. Joseph said, no what?
I was going to have him turn around and go back over the top of it. Good fish.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, yeah. Boy, they have some pull. Nice.
Oh.
They like that gold bait there.
Yeah, they did.
There's 3 strikes on that thing. All right. Boy, that thing just hammered. Just boom. I mean, it was like I got hung up on a rock. It just stopped. It was cool. It was
There's
very
more of
cool.
them back there.
What do you say? How big is that one?
No, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5.
All right, we got our double-digit fish. Sweet. Yeah. Look at
Did
that.
you want a picture of
beautiful
him too,
critter.
or?
Sure. I mean, you can't have too many pictures of fish, can you?
Yeah, that one looks different than your other ones anyway.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's just all speckled.
Is that?
Yep.
Should have her.
All right. Well, we'll get her back in the water.
Slap her back. Yeah.
Goodbye.
See.
All right. That was nice. That was nice. Just boom, boom, boom.
In today's world, catch and release is the norm. However, it wasn't always that way. The process of developing reproductions as we know them today was developed by Vic Varanis, founder of Artistic Anglers. Today that task lies in the hands of Matt Irnitik and is performed at their current location in Duluth, Minnesota. Casting reproductions is a multi-level process requiring true artistry during every stage of the process. As you enjoy some of these examples of artistic anglers' incredible work, keep in mind, this is where we as sportsmen have evolved to today. Without the conscious efforts of anglers like yourself, releasing what you catch for the next generation, and Matt and the folks at Artistic Anglers producing such creations, we simply wouldn't enjoy the quality of fishing that we do today. Please consider releasing your next trophy and contact Artistic Anglers to preserve your memory in the form of a graphite reproduction from Artistic Anglers.
Nice. Oh, that's pretty. I haven't seen them with those big circles like that.
Butterfly?
Borboleta. Peacock borboleta.
Borboleta? I couldn't tell how many there were. I saw him swirl at it 3 times.
Oh, big fish. Oh, get out of that tree. Oh, get out of that tree.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's
Very big.
Nice, that's a nice one.
Oh.
Move some water.
Oh, no. Hold on, boss. Hold on. Oh. Uh-oh, he's around a tree now.
No.
Careful now, careful. This fish is 20 pounds. I'm just staying with it. I think what's happening right now. It's free. It's free. I think what's happening right now is Joseph, our guide, is about to go in the water to free this 20-pound peacock, if I'm not mistaken.
Holy schmoly.
Coming up, coming up. Okay.
Nice fish.
Coming your way, Joseph. Watch those hooks. Oh, watch those hooks. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh goodness gracious. Holy smokes, Rocky. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna do something really, watch it, watch it. 10, 11 kilos. Where's my tape measure? I gave it to somebody this morning. Oh, I got one here, hold on. Hang on, just stay there, I'm gonna measure it.
10 kilos.
10 kilos. Yeah, it's right on 10 kilos. 34, another 34-inch peacock. Okay, hang on a minute now. I got him, go ahead, let go. Okay. Oh, good enough. Oh, awesome. Stay down, throw it in. Oh, oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna back up with you. Careful now, careful. Oh, another 34-inch. Awesome. Oh, can we get a picture of it?
Sure.
Big, big fish. I don't think the wife's gonna let me put another artistic graphite on the wall though.
Okay, good.
It is so much different colored than my other ones from last year. It's a totally different looking fish.
It has stripes and
This is speckled. This is all, look at this. It's all speckled though compared to my other one. Joseph, you did it! 2 years in a row, man. Awesome fishing down here, guys. I tell you, this is unbelievable. I said we were coming back. We're back, and another 34-inch peacock to show for it. Over 10 kilos, folks. I'm gonna get her back in the water. Jeff, you have a good time?
oh, that is a dandy fish. You're gorgeous.
Oh, I'm gonna get her back. Oh, oh man. Oh, these fish are so huge. Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna hang on to this one. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, isn't that gorgeous?
Well, that one's got the bars and the...
I was gonna say, I was trying to hang on to it. Oh, everybody, thanks for watching Simply Fishing again this week. Joseph, my guide, and he is gonna be my permanent guide here on the Jana as we go to Brazil each year, I guarantee you. But you gotta think about this, folks. This is musky fishing for a very beautiful fish down here, because you will fish long and hard, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, God, whoop, it just eats you. Big, big fish. Thanks for watching. Remember, practice C.P.R. Catch, phone, and release. Future fishing is in your hands. It's in Joseph's hand down here, huh? Thank you, big guy. Thank you. See you folks next week for more Simply Fishing. Dang, good job. He comes down, he goes, we're going to the point. We go to the point, we go to the point. We're working our way down there and make one cast right in there where that sandbar came up. Oh, you missed it the first time. Oh, no, this is it. Good job.